Well, good evening everyone, Ragingskull here, and I'm doing another picking video in the truck tonight. What I'll be doing is raking and single pin picking a Kryptonite padlock. It's a 4-pin, it is locked. Well, that's kind of tight tolerances, but either way, I'm not going to show the bitting of the keys just yet, and I'll get to that in a bit. But I must say, with this specific padlock, I am not overly impressed. And I should have really honestly done an out-of-the-box pick. But when I purchased it, it was one of those deals I wanted to get out and have a play, and really should have just gotten it straight out and picked. But I'll show the bitting in a little bit. But either way, kind of a nice coating for the weather and to keep it from, I guess, knocking against things. But this came with a 6-foot long cable. It's meant to be used as some kind of bicycle or motorcycle lock or whatever. But either way, I started playing with it and I realized how quickly this particular lock would fall under the city rake. And there you go. Fell. Locked back up. Boy, those are some tight tolerances between the plastic casing around it and probably the lock itself. That's quite nice, but either way, there's the city rake. Double peak pagoda rake. Homebrew by the fantastic member Capiche. Still in my kit. Still works very well. But fell under that. And I'm going to pick the triple peak pagoda rake, also made by Capiche. This one seems to want to get camera shy under this one, because I've had this one like nothing flat. Oops, hit my camera. There it is. Oop. Open. There we go. And I'm also I haven't dug this one out in a little while, but snake rake, also made by Capiche. And it fell under that too. Locked up. And now I'm going to single pin pick it. Also a short hook made by Capiche. Now bear in mind, this is a 4-pin lock, and there are no security pins in this one whatsoever that I could actually even tell. But boom. Open. Single pin picked, raked multiple different times, and they just all fall pretty quickly. Now, I never looked at the actual key until after I got it out of the package, when I did the actual picking, playing with it, but I don't know if it'll focus in on that, but I don't know. It's kind of turn the light out real fast, see if that'll help. But that's the bitting. That's the actual key. That's dang near a blank. Not very, not very creative. But just to show it does work. And this particular lock with the cable and everything, one of the keys has a little light on it, which is kind of cool. But as I said, it was just one of those. Like I said, here's the cable that it comes with. It's apparently 6 feet long, but I'm not going to uncoil it. That all came with the kit for $10 and then add the tax. It was on clearance at a store that I was at, so I figured why not, can't resist. It looked like it'd be something a little tough, but that's alright. It was still a fun pick, fun to figure it out and learn it. I just realized I probably should have done an out-of-the-box picking after it fell under so many different ways, but either way, Kryptonite padlock, 4-pin, no security pins of any sort whatsoever, single pin picked, and raked 1, 2, 3, 4 different ways, and not a very imaginative bidding on this particular key, so oof, scary, but still fun nonetheless. Take care all.